that you dropped
so
in.
very nice.
I'll hold your hands, they're just like ice.
My mother will start to
Beautiful,
worry.
what's your hurry?
My father will be pacing the floor.
Listen to the fireplace roar.
Really, I'd better scurry.
Beautiful, please don't hurry.
Well, maybe just a half a drink more.
Put some records on while I pour.
Neighbors might think,
Baby, it's bad out there.
say what's in this drink.
No cabs to be had out there.
I wish I knew how
Your eyes are like starlight
to
now.
break this spell.
I'll take your hat. Your hair looks swell.
I ought to say no, no,
Mind if
no,
I
sir.
move in closer?
At least I'm gonna say that I tried.
What's the sense of hurting my
I
pride?
really can't stay.
Baby, don't hold out. Baby, it's cold outside.
I simply must go.
Baby, it's cold outside.
Oh, the answer is no.
Baby, it's cold outside.
Your welcome has been
How lucky that you
so
dropped in.
nice and warm.
Look out the window at that storm.
My sister will be suspicious.
Gosh, your lips look delicious.
My brother will be there at the
Waves
door.
upon a tropical
My
shore.
maiden aunt's mind is so vicious.
Your lips are delicious.
Well, maybe just a cigarette.
Never such a blizzard before.
I've got to get home.
Baby, you'll freeze out there.
Say, lend me a coat.
It's up to your knees out there.
You've really been great.
I thrill when you touch my hand.
But don't you see?
How can you do this thing to me?
There's bound to be talk tomorrow.
Think of my lifelong sorrow.
At least there will be plenty implied.
If you caught pneumonia and
I
died,
really can't stay.
get over that holdout. Baby, it's